Okay guys, so we will start the makeup first. Since this is a summer look, we must apply sunblock first. So the one I'm using here is Mama Earth sunblock. So I will apply that first and then we'll move ahead with the foundation. The foundation that I'm going to apply is Nykaa Skin Genius, and I love this because it has a dewy finish to it. So I will apply this one. Put the foundation very light because I don't want to go very heavy. Normally I would have applied a CC cream, but right now I don't have one. So I'll be using this foundation. However, just make sure that in summer keep the makeup very light, the base at least, because else it's not worth it. Okay, there we are. In case if you feel like wearing some concealer, you can, but right now I'm not feeling like going on with concealer underneath. It feels very heavy on my skin, so I will just keep it this way. Okay, so let's start working on our eyes. The eyeshadow palette which I'm going to use is this Revolution, and this is I think a collaboration between Tummy and Revolution. The name of this palette is Tropical Paradise palette. I love this because it has all the beach and summer shades of eyeshadow, and let's start working with this. What I have in my mind is something oranges because I think an orange and a pop of color is very summer-like. So I will work something with that. Yeah. So here are the shades. As you can see, this is the orange one which I want to have on my eyes, and in the crease area maybe I'll go with something like this, and in my inner corner maybe something like this to, I don't know, highlight it and pop it up. Okay, let's start working on it. So as you can see, the color has popped there. Now I will begin with filling it with the orange color. Looks like it is well blended now. Now I'll go with this lighter shade, one of these, so that you know my eyes look popped open. Okay, let's begin. I'm also applying the same orange color on this. So I'll just get the same thing done on the other eye. Okay, so looks like both the eyes are done. I will not go with eyeliner. Instead, I will just apply mascara because the eyeshadow is itself doing all the work. So I don't want to add more on it. It will be just mascara which would enhance the eyelashes, and that's it. Make sure you apply mascara on both the upper and the lower eyelashes. That's how it's gonna work. Yeah. So that's it. I will not go anything, I will not go with anything that heavier on my eyes because it's already fancy enough for now with the color and everything. So that's about it. Okay, if you guys feel like having the need of filling your eyebrows, you can. For me, I think they look fine, thick enough. Just brush it up so that it stays in shape and nothing else. I'm trying to avoid as much as products to be used because it's summer, it's gonna be sweaty outside, so I don't wanna put on a lot of stuff and just keep it minimal. I really hope that I should have had the CC cream, but I don't have it right now, so that's why I went with the foundation. However, I used very little bit of it, so it should work. I just love blush. The one I'm using is Lemme 925. I like the color here. It is pure rouge. I love it. So let's begin with that. Also, while they are putting on blush, I feel that the more you apply it from here towards the upper side, it gives a lifted look to your face. Like everything looks lifted, you know. More you put things on the lower side of your face, it looks like everything is weighing down and your skin is loose and saggy. It gives an impression like that. Whatever leftover is there on the brush, just apply it on your nose, and that should be it. I just love it how it gives a very flushed, rosy look to your face. So I just love wearing blush. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, the lip shade that I'm gonna use is a nude one. I like this one from K-Beauty. It is called V Hours. So let's apply that. Okay, so as you can see, that lip shade and eyes and everything looks very put together because of the tones of the colors. So I think that it's very good to pick colors which really goes well together, so that things does not look very noisy on your face and looks subtle and elegant. Yeah. So I would like to finish this look by highlighting. Okay, so this is a Wet n Wild color icon ombre blush, but it has highlighting stuff in it actually. That's why instead of blush, I like to go and use it as a highlighter. See, it's very light yet it highlights. It really gives a very natural finish. So instead of using it as blush or something, I like to use it as a highlighter where I don't want to go very heavy. It's working. I'll go with the French braid kind of thing because I really like this one, and when it just looks, when it disappears from behind, it's very cute to see that. So let's go with the French braid. I think French braid is very summery and chill. So yeah, let's begin with the French braid. What I was talking about, I just like a pop of color or ribbon or whatever comes out from behind. I think it just adds on to that summer vibe, don't you think? Okay, so this is what it looks like after the hairdo. So this is a French beard, this is a French braid. The next thing I'm gonna wear is these earrings. Alright, I really like them. I think they are very summery and fun. So I think now the makeup looks really good, summer-like, and now let's go to the outfit.
White talks loud about summer. I don't think one's summer clothes should miss a white shirt. It's a classic after all and a must-have. The best ways of wearing a white shirt is with a pair of blue jeans or a vibrant piece to pair it with. Like here, I'm wearing a very stylish mustard yellow printed skirt which I once bought from Shein. This piece of clothing brings in that super fun, stylish summer glam look. I think ankle-high shoes or boots goes really well with shorts. Basically, it is my style. However, since it is a summer look, please go ahead and chill wearing a pair of slides or say flip-flops or Crocs. It will look very chic. I have fully buttoned up my shirt because I think it gives a very clean look and the sleeves are folded. It's just like that. There are many ways that we can explore and play around to enhance the basic look.
Hi guys, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, how I created this look and the outfit. So if you did, then make sure you hit like to this video, comment in the comment section about what you liked about this video or maybe what you would like to see next. So yes, also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button, also the bell notification button, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, this is Sampriti signing off. Bye.